It's now been 2.5 months since we relaunched, having repainted the hull with the Trinidad Pro. And in that time, we've not cleaned the port hull at all. So I'm going to jump in the water now and we'll have a look at what the growth level is like, given that we have spent this much time in the tropics and have not cleaned it once. So obviously to check the hull means getting in the water, but at least right now we are in sunny St. Martin and it's actually really nice water here. So what I'm going to do is start at the front of the hull and take you all the way back. From what I can see, the leading edge is all pretty good. There's a layer of slime that's developed and some barnacles, but given again this is 2.5 months of growth, and for part of that time, I think about 3 weeks, we were in Trinidad, which is known for incredibly high growth. I actually think that's pretty good. Let's take a look at the rudders and behind the keels. I'm really quite happy with how the Antifoul has performed. I think that is not a huge amount of growth given we've not touched it and we have been in the water this long. What I'm going to do now though is see how hard it is to get it off. So I'm just using a normal wallpaper scraper to do this and my hand, which I don't even have a glove on right now. So let's take a look. That stuff came off so easy with my hands that I just know that as soon as we move the boat, because the boat hasn't moved in 2.5 weeks, most of that would just come off. It's the barnacles that this little guy's for. This is really taking no effort at all. Like, I'm barely pushing on the scraper to get those barnacles off. So I think we can safely say it's quite an effective anti-foul for tropical water, just from our experience over the past 2.5 months.